Alright, so in this video, I'm teaching you how to add your business on Google Search. So if you're a business owner, you will learn how you can add your business on Google Search. And if you're a web designer, it's also important that you learn how to add the business of your clients on Google Search, so that when people visit Google and type in the name of your business, Google will be able to provide them with the address of your business, the website, the phone number, the goods and services. There will be a button that will direct them to the location of your business. Then you also get to write posts describing the nature of your business. Alright, if you don't have a website, you can still add your business on Google Search. Alright, adding your business on Google Search is what is called Google Local. Alright, so if your business has a physical location, you can actually add your business on Google Search. Alright, so for us to do that, we'll go to the browser, the URL section of our browser, and type in google.com/maps. So let's just do that here. So right here we have google.com/maps here, right? Now it's going to take us to this place where we get to enter the name of our business. So right here we can enter something like Manuel Media House, right? So right here we select the category we want. So let's type in media. So media and information, science faculty. So address is required, you can see that. So under the required field in the address, you can just type in 20 Taiwo Road, right? So select this. Right now, this is a place where we'll add more details. You can add our work hours here. On Sunday it's closed, on Monday it's 24 hours, Tuesday 24 hours. Right, you can just select this. There is a place where we still have to make adjustments to all of this. Right, so we'll click on this, 24 hours. Right here, 24 hours. Right now, when you are done with this, you can add an image if you want to, but if you don't want, you can leave this. You click on save. And when you scroll down here, they're going to ask you for your contacts, 105210. Right, then if you have a website, you enter the URL. If you don't have the website, you can leave this blank. Now this is the opening date when your business starts. So let's say it's started on June 2015. Right, and you scroll down here. Now this is where people usually make the mistake. If you click on post here directly, it's going to take you to a place where they will tell you to enter your address and the postal code of where you stay. Now Google is going to tell you that they will send a particular 5-pin verification to the post office nearest to the address that you have entered, right? So that particular 5-pin verification code is what you use to verify your business, right? But the major issue is that most of the times, after 2 to 3 years, you never get to receive this particular code at the post office. So there is a shortcut here where you can bypass all of that. When you click on claim the business here, it's going to provide you a place where you enter your phone number. They are going to send you a 5 instant pin verification code to the phone number you have entered, right? So let's click on claim this business here. Right, you can see this is the name we enter. This is what we have here. We'll click on next here. Right, so here we have do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? We have yes here. You can choose no if you don't have. Then this is where you select the country. This is Nigeria. Then this is where we get to type the address. Taiwo Road. Yeah. Alright, so here we have local governments. Local government, you enter the local governments of wherever you stay. Let's remove this since there is a place for city here. So type in Ilorin here, right? Now the postal code is the postal code of this particular address, alright? So if you don't know the postal code of your address, you come to Google and you type in Taiwo, the name of where you stay, and just add postal code. directly at the front. So who is going to provide you with this particular, with your postal code? So you just copy that here, paste that here. So this is where you get select the state. So this is Kwara State here. Click on next now. Right, so do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? So if you do that, you click on yes. If you don't do that, you click on no. So I click on no. Right now, this is a place where I will enter my phone number. If you have a website, you enter the URL of your website. If you don't have, you check this box and you click on next here. Right, so this is a place where you can see the phone number is here. It's either you request that they call you to send the particular instant 5-pin verification code to this particular number, or they will send the text. Alright, so let me click on text here. So I want them to send this particular text. So let me click you can hear the sound. I just got the message here. So this is today. So my code here is 7. There's nothing to hide about this. This is 749 834 right? So after that, you click on verify here. Alright, so your code was accepted. Alright, so you can see you bypass that long process of waiting after 14 days. After 14 days, that will eventually turn to a year, and you never get to get the 5 verification pin. And once you are unable to verify with the 5 verification pin, it simply means that your business is going to be hidden from the search result. Alright, so it's important that you follow these steps. Now this is where you get to enter the opening hours and the closing hours. So on Sunday it's closed. On Monday I check this. So the business opens by 8 a.m. closes by closes by 5 p.m. right here. The business opens by 8 a.m. also closes by 5 p.m. right. On Wednesday 8 a.m. closes by 5 p.m. here. On Thursday here 8 a.m. closes by 5 p.m. here. On Friday opens by 8 a.m. here, closes by 5 p.m. Then on Saturday, so let there be a little exception on Saturday. On Saturday, business opens by 10 a.m. and it closes by closes by 2 p.m. Alright, so when you are done, you click on next. So you can set this to suit whatever you want. Then the next one, you can accept messages. It means that people can send you instant message on directly to your Gmail account. Alright, so click on next. So right here, this is where you write a short description about your business. Alright, so right here you can just say our business is to educate young minds on information and technology so that they can benefit into the 21st century space. Alright, so if this is basically what you do, if you are into catering, you can just talk about a brief description about the services you offer. It could be something like I'm a caterer, I'm into full catering service and all of that. So when you are done, please check for spelling correction. You click on next. Now this is where you get to add a photo to the photo of your business. So you can add the logo of your business. You click on this and you click on choose an image. It's going to take you to where your images are. So let me just select any of these for instance. Alright, so it's going to upload this image here. Alright, so I'll click on next here. Now it's saying advertise easily in minutes. If you start now, it simply means you want to pay Google to start running adverts for you. Google charges a lot if you want to run advertisement with Google, alright? But if you have the capacity, you can do that. Per click, they can charge you $2 for one person clicking on your business and all of that. So you don't need to run advertisement. It's a free service, alright? So you skip this process, alright? Now the next is your business profile is almost ready. Let's click on continue here, alright? You can see edit info directly on your business profile, add photo and services, and keep your hours up to date. So let's click on next year, next year, next year. Click on start here, right? So right here, you can see this is how our business is going to look like. You can see here, I have my phone number here. This is the address of this particular business. When you scroll down, you can see you can add a website here, alright? Now, if you scroll up here, it simply means that when people come to Google to search for this particular name to be the name of your business, this is what they are going to get, right? Now, we are not done with our settings. You are not going to see all of this particular display is supposed to be what will cover all of this place, or you'll see the display in this right hand side. But we are seeing this because we are the admin here. I've logged in right here, so you can see we can edit our profile here, we can promote, and we can add customers here. So right here, there are still some settings we can still toggle. You can see the chat is not turned on. You can click on turn chat on here, so click on turn on. All right, so click on done. Alright, so this says keep up with your customers, get web alerts for messages from customers on Google. Alright, so you can go to messaging settings and all of that, turn on web notification. You can do all of this. So let's close this. Now after that, you talk about add exterior cover, so help customers locate your shop front. So this is where you get to add exterior cover. This is where you get to customize email. When you click on this arrow, you see more. Learn more about your photo, get your first review, create an offer. You click on the arrow here. This is create an ad if you want Google to run ads for you. Keep your customers up to date, then add update. Alright, so basically you can run through all of these settings, and when you are done, your business will be on Google search, right? Now let's check for other businesses. Take for instance, here we have, right, you can see this is a company I manage website here. This is where I listed this business under Google Business. All right, you can see here, this is the name of the company. This is where this particular company is located on the map. Then right here, you can see the phone number. You can see this is the address. You can also see here that when you click on website, it's going to take you to the website. So let's do that. Should have opened that in a new tab, right? So it's going to take us to the website of this particular company, right? So this is the website, all in the Google Business, all right? So when you scroll down, you see all of this, and all of that. So let's go back here. Now if you want direction, you can open a new tab. So if you are driving, you can be directed, all right, to this particular company. So let's assume we don't want that. Then you can see this, you can click on call directly, and you are going to call this number directly. So if you want to make an inquiry, a lot of people call from different parts of the country. Let me also search for my website here. This is all for learners, right? This is my website here. You can see my website is listed here. I'm still writing the search engine optimization. This particular website is in United States, and they've been in existence for years, so to take me time to rank them. I'm still working on the SEO, but you can see I've submitted my business on the Google search. You can see right here, this is my phone number here. If you click on this, it's going to take you to my website. Let's close this, right? So this is my website here. All right, now if you click on direction, it's going to direct you to where I stay. If you click on save, if you click on call, you are going to place a call directly. You can see these are posts that I've written. You can see how to generate revenue from your website or blog. Mr. A lives very far from his place of work and all of that. This is another post. You can slide this. I've just written 2 posts. Alright, so basically this is the way you can add your business on Google search.